How to crush it online. Your 2025 business blueprint. What's up, entrepreneurs? It's Elango, and look. We all know 2024 is about to wrap, and everyone's thinking about their New Year's resolutions. But this year, forget the gym membership you won't use. This year we're getting real, we're getting hungry, we're building empires. You've been dreaming about launching your own online business, right? That fire in your belly, that's not heartburn, that's ambition. In this video, I'm breaking it down step by step. No BS, just pure hustle to get your business off the ground in 2025. Let's go. First things first, you gotta niche down. Look, you can't be everything to everyone, right? No one wants a watered down drink. You gotta be the extra shot espresso. The triple distilled whiskey strong, focused, impossible to ignore. What gets you fired up? What problems piss you off that you know you can solve better than anyone else? Maybe it's fitness, maybe it's vintage sneakers, maybe it's hand-painted dog portraits. I don't care. As long as you're obsessed, your passion is your unfair advantage. It's what will keep you grinding when the going gets tough, and trust me, it will. But that's where the real entrepreneurs are made. All right, so you found your passion, your niche. Now you got to package that fire into a plan. I'm talking about a business plan, baby. This isn't some stuffy corporate requirement. This is your playbook, your roadmap to success. Who are you targeting? What are you selling? How much are you going to charge? What are your goals, your revenue projections? Get it all down on paper. Don't overcomplicate it. Just get clear on your vision. Now it's time to build your online presence. This is your storefront, your 24/7 salesperson. You need a website, an online store, something that screams legit and makes people want to throw money at their screens. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, they make it stupid easy. And don't even think about skipping on mobile optimization. People are glued to their phones, so your site better be smooth like butter on a hot stack of pancakes. Oh, and one more thing. Branding. Get yourself a logo, some killer graphics, make it pop, make it memorable. Listen up, social media is your best friend, your wingman, your hype squad, all rolled into one. But you got to use it right. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, figure out where your audience hangs out and make your presence known. Don't just spam them with sales pitches though. Provide value, entertain them, educate them. Be a human, not a corporate robot. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, run contests, do live quandas. Build that trust, that community, and watch your audience become loyal customers. Chapter 5. Quality over everything. Build a brand that lasts. Listen, I don't care if you're selling handmade jewelry or software as a service, quality is non-negotiable. You want to be known for delivering the absolute best every single time. Happy customers are your walking, talking billboards. They'll tell their friends, their families, their dog walkers about you. Word of mouth is still the most powerful marketing tool out there. Chapter 6. Digital marketing level up your growth game. All right, so you've got the basics down. Now it's time to take it to the next level with some digital marketing magic. We're talking SEO, email marketing, paid ads, the whole 9 yards. This is where you really start to scale your business and reach a wider audience. Tools like Google Analytics and MailChimp are your secret weapons here. Track your results, see what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, data is your friend. Chapter 7. Hustle, grind, repeat. Building an empire takes time. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. Building a successful online business takes time. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme. You're going to face challenges, you're going to hit roadblocks, you're going to want to pull your hair out sometimes. But you got to push through, you got to hustle, you got to grind. Persistence and consistency are key. Never stop learning, never stop adapting, never stop improving. Outro, you got this. Time to make 2025 yours, starting an online business in 2025. This is your moment. You've got the tools, the information, and the fire in your belly. Now go out there and make it happen. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, it takes hard work, and it takes a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, when you see your vision come to life, when you're your own boss, when you're impacting lives with your business, it's all worth it. Now get out there and crush it.